Landscaping plants for a stunning front yard. Elevating your home's first impression. Creating an inviting and visually appealing front yard is essential to boost the curb appeal of your home. One effective way to achieve this is through strategic selection and arrangement of landscaping plants. In this article, we will delve into the world of landscaping plants for the front of the house, focusing on aspects such as plant selection, foliage, flowering options, evergreen shrubs, perennial flowers, and their impact on the low-maintenance yet captivating aesthetics. Importance of landscaping plants. Landscaping plants play a vital role in improving the overall appearance of your front yard. Proper plant selection adds color, texture, and visual interest to exterior spaces. They enhance curb appeal and create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors and passers-by. Factors to consider when choosing landscaping plants. Evaluate the climatic conditions, sunlight exposure, and soil type in your region. Opt for a balanced mix of foliage and flowering plants to add diversity and visual contrast. Consider the size, growth patterns, and maintenance requirements of the plants to ensure long-term success. Foliage plants for year-round appeal. Evergreen shrubs like boxwood, yew, and holly provide a rich green backdrop throughout the year. Ornamental grasses, such as fountain grass or Japanese forest grass, add texture and movement. Variegated plants like hostis or coleus offer interesting leaf patterns that enhance visual interest. Blooming beauties. Select flowers that bloom at different times of the year to maintain color and interest all season long. Phlox, salvia, and coneflowers are popular choices for their vibrant blooms and durability. Incorporate climbing plants like clematis or climbing roses to add vertical accents to your landscape. Low-maintenance perennials. Choose perennial flowers like lavender, sedum, or black-eyed Susans for their ability to withstand varied weather conditions with minimal care. Ground covers like creeping thyme or moss add a carpet-like effect and reduce maintenance. Strategic use of landscaping plants in the front yard can dramatically enhance curb appeal and create a lasting impression. By considering factors such as plant selection, foliage, flowering options, evergreen shrubs, perennial flowers, and low maintenance requirements, homeowners can achieve an eye-catching landscape that showcases effortless beauty and color contrast. Invest in the power of well-placed plants and watch your front yard transform into a stunning visual treat. The front yard of a house serves as an inviting gateway, and landscaping plants are the key to creating an appealing and eye-catching entrance. By carefully selecting the right landscaping plants, homeowners can enhance their front yard's curb appeal and wow visitors with a harmonious and refreshing display of nature's beauty. In this article, we will explore the art of plant selection, focusing on foliage, flowering plants, evergreen shrubs, perennial flowers, low-maintenance choices, and color contrast techniques to create an enchanting front yard landscape. Mastering plant selection. Research the local climate and soil conditions to choose plants that thrive in your specific region. Consider the growth patterns, size, and maintenance requirements of plants before making selections. Curate a well-balanced display by combining different textures, heights, and colors for a visually pleasing outcome. Embracing foliage diversity. Evergreen shrubs like boxwood or holly provide year-round greenery, adding structure and interest. Variegated plants, such as hostas or caladiums, showcase stunning leaf patterns and create visual focal points. Incorporate foliage plants with different shapes and colors, like ferns or cotyledons, for a dynamic and captivating front yard. Blooming wonders. Choose flowering plants that not only provide eye-catching blooms, but also thrive in your local conditions. Consider the bloom time and duration to ensure a continuous display of color throughout the seasons. Delight in the beauty of perennials like daylilies, geraniums, or echinaceas, which offer long-lasting bursts of color without requiring excessive maintenance. Evergreen charm of shrubs. Evergreen shrubs, such as boxwood juniper or azaleas, provide structure and year-round greenery. Experiment with compact varieties for small spaces or use taller shrubs as visual screens or privacy elements. Incorporate flowering shrubs like hydrangeas or spiraeas for added color and charm during the blooming season. Low-maintenance marvels. Opt for low-maintenance plants that require minimal care and still deliver stunning results. Drought-tolerant options like sedums, ornamental grasses, or lavender reduce water consumption while adding beauty and texture. Ground covers, like creeping thyme or vinca minor, create lush carpets and help suppress weeds, making them perfect choices for hassle-free front yard landscapes. Transforming the front of your house into a picturesque landscape is within reach by harnessing the power of landscaping plants. The careful selection of foliage, flowering plants, evergreen shrubs, perennial flowers, low-maintenance choices, and color contrast techniques will ensure a stunning front yard that leaves a lasting impression. From the lush greenery of evergreen shrubs to the vibrant blooms of perennials on the diverse textures of foliage plants, let Mother Nature guide you in creating an awe-inspiring front yard that welcomes and mesmerizes all who visit.